Hi, welcome to Kate's Kitchen. I'm Kate, and today we're going to start a new series on makeovers, not leftovers, as I begin with this beautiful bone-in ham. The first meal we're going to have is I'm going to bake it in the oven and put a glaze on it. A paste made of brown sugar and some of the pineapple juice along with some cinnamon, some pineapple slices, and some maraschino cherries. And we've got toothpick to hold it all on. All the fruit is on, and it's ready to have the sauce. Now I know this makes it look a bit like a porcupine, but I promise it does help keep the fruit on while it's cooking. I'm not too sure how well this is going to work, but I'm going to try and hold the camera with one hand and get the sauce on with the other, so let's see. As you can see, it's kind of a thick, pasty substance, and I just drop it down where I think it'll slide through the fruit and go down to the meat. So all we're going to do now is just keep coating it and getting as much on there as we can, because as it cooks, it'll slide down in there and it'll make the meat just wonderful. As you can see, I've got lots of the sauce on it. I'm starting to bring the foil up. I'm going to seal it in and let the steam from the cooking meat go back into it. I'll leave it in a 400-degree oven for 45 minutes to an hour and check it. There it is. It's all sealed up and tinted across the top. Now we're going to close it in. It's cooking at 400 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. Well, folks, it's been an hour and 10 minutes. I just pulled it out of the oven and took the aluminum foil back. It looks like a lot of that sauce slid down and cooked into the meat. It's very hot, and as you can see, there's some wonderful juice down there. So the next step is to just let it sit for a while, cool off, and let the juices go back into the meat a little bit. Well, the ham is cooked, as you can see. I did sweet potatoes and asparagus to go with it. I think David's really going to like his dinner. It turned out much better than I thought it would, and it was much easier to do. As you can see, it's a really big ham. It was 10 pounds of ham, which means we're going to have a lot of different kinds of meals coming up, and maybe even can some of it. So I look forward to bringing more to you. I look forward to seeing you guys when you come back to the next video. You take care and have a blessed day. Bye.